Tired of manually scheduling the same job over and over? Fergus makes scheduling recurring events simple so you can save time and focus on the work that matters. Let's walk through how it works. You can schedule recurring events from either the Fergus calendar or a specific job card calendar. This allows you to schedule the same job across multiple days, different from recurring jobs, which creates a brand new job each time. Let's start by scheduling a recurring event from the job card calendar. First, open the job card and assign your employees. Click Schedule, click on the time slot for your first event, and once the event appears, double-click to edit it. On the right-hand side, you'll see the event details. Confirm the start and end times and check the start date. Tick the recurring event checkbox to enable it. Avoid setting a long end date. This could create one long event instead of one event for each active day. Next, choose how often the event recurs. For example, if the job repeats daily for 5 days, select Daily and set the end date to 5 days later. Click Save and Fergus will automatically schedule the event across the selected days. Now, let's look at scheduling recurring events from the Fergus calendar. Go to the Fergus calendar at the top of your screen. Locate the job on the right-hand side and drag and drop it into the schedule. If it's already been scheduled, just find the event in the calendar instead. Next, double-click the event and follow the same steps as with scheduling in the job card. Tick the recurring event checkbox and set the correct details. Click Save and that's it! With recurring events, you can schedule multiple future events at once, eliminating repetitive admin tasks and keeping your team organised.